Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the owner of Houston Window Experts, and today I'm talking about 10 things you should know before you buy windows. This is the number one thing. Sleep on it. Yes, sleep on it. Don't get rushed into making a decision about buying windows. You know what? Some people sleep more on where they're going to go on vacation before they make a decision than they do on buying $50,000 or $500,000 worth of windows. And it always just baffles me, like, why would that be the case? Well, I figured out why. There are some really creative marketing people that will come to your house, and I like to call them a little bit sleazy. In fact, check out my video about sleazy salesmen and how to avoid them. And they'll come to your house and they'll spend 3 hours there and they'll talk to you about their wonderful window and how they're the best window company in the world. But then they get into this stuff about, tonight I've got a big 40% sale. Oh, I'd hate for you not to buy tonight. If you don't buy tonight, that 40% goes out tonight. In fact, when I walk through that door, sir, my deal goes with me. And they'll take a $50,000 project all the way down to $25,000 to try to get you to buy tonight. Here's the other thing they'll do. They'll say to you, you know what? You buy tonight to not lose this great deal, and I'll give you 3 days to change your mind, and I'll tear your check up, or I'll send it back to you if you don't want to do this. Well, it sounds like they're being really nice and generous, but they're not. That's actually a federal law. It's called the 3-day right to rescind. Don't fall for that. It's crazy. They'll also talk about you can get 48 months, 0% financing, but it goes away when I go away. You know why those guys say that? I found out the other day. I interviewed one of those guys, and he told me that when he goes out to make a sales call, if he doesn't sell it that night, he won't get the commission if they buy later. It'll be transferred to another sales rep. So these guys, they have commission breath, and they're hungry, and they're doing everything they can to get you to buy a window tonight. I'm telling you, forget everything else I might tell you in the other 9 points. If you don't get this, you're in trouble. And the answer is sleep on it. Don't buy tonight. Hey, if you're looking for a great window company near you, check out jeffslist.com. We have a list of great window companies all over the country. Well, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. And go look right now on YouTube. You'll see the other 9 tips that you should check out.